I don't think financial crises are inevitable. I think oftentimes they're caused by small groups of people manipulating the money supply and imposing all sorts of artificial constraints and rules into the way people are allowed to trade with each other. And if we can bring cryptocurrencies permissionlessly to the entire world, we'll have a lot less of these financial crises in which small groups of people are manipulating things to the detriment of all. Times of recessions, people like things that are really stable and reliable and trustworthy. And I don't think that the general public views cryptocurrencies as that yet. Maybe they will in the future, but at the moment I think people will flee to what they view as traditional hard assets, so things like precious metals and real estate and things like that. As much as I would love for them to flee into cryptocurrencies, I don't think that that's likely to happen yet, but at some point in the future I think the mindset will change. So this will be my third halvening to experience, and the first two basically nothing much happened at all. And I think that's likely to be the case this time. I think it'll be kind of like Y2000. Everybody was all worked up about it, and then nothing happened. So the more halvenings we have, the better, because the inflation rate becomes lower. And so as more and more people start to use it as money, the price and market cap will go up, and you don't have as much inflation each year. Yeah, if you're excited about the future prospects of Bitcoin Cash being usable as money anywhere in the world and be able to buy and sell things with it, my advice is to buy some more of it now, because the price is going to go up thanks to the halvening and thanks to the increased adoption in actual commerce around the world. I think the biggest challenge for cryptocurrencies right now is still just user awareness of how easy it is to use cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin Cash for payments. We're trying to make it easier and easier every day with the Bitcoin.com wallet and the Bitcoin Cash Register app and all the other tools we have available at Bitcoin.com. Our goal is to make it so easy that anybody of any age or any educational background will be able to use Bitcoin Cash to buy and sell things or invest in things or do anything anywhere in the world for anyone. And that's our goal, and we're on that path. So I think a lot of people have gotten confused in cryptocurrency and think that the only thing you're supposed to do with them is hold them. But the only reason you would save anything is so that you can spend it later, right? Or so it'll have more value for you later. But what causes that is actual adoption in commerce. And so I think a lot of people either don't understand that or don't see that, or they haven't had it pointed out to them. And so that's why us with Bitcoin Cash, we're busy building the tools to enable people to spend it anywhere. And if you're able to spend Bitcoin Cash anywhere, you'll be wanting to save your money in Bitcoin Cash because you'll know you'll be able to spend it anywhere later. And so I think there's a whole lot more potential upside from an investment and holding standpoint for Bitcoin Cash than there is for any other cryptocurrency, because we're busy rolling out that adoption around the world with fantastic partnerships like with HTC preloading our Bitcoin.com wallet directly into all their new Exodus smartphones that they're shipping, and deals like with Go Crypto out of Slovenia rolling out Bitcoin Cash acceptance at thousands and soon to be tens of thousands of locations across Europe and then the world. That's what we're busy doing, and that's what's going to motivate people to want to hold Bitcoin Cash so that they can spend it later, because there's no point in holding a cryptocurrency that you can't spend. The things I'm the most excited about, and I think it's one of the most important inventions in cryptocurrencies in the last few years, are the ability to pay dividends to the equivalent of anonymous bearer shares on the Bitcoin Cash network. So anybody can make a Bitcoin Cash token. All those tokens just sit at a Bitcoin Cash address. And so we built a really powerful tool that allows anybody to pay dividends to those token holders, and the dividends can be paid either in Bitcoin Cash directly or in other Bitcoin Cash-based tokens. So that enables all sorts of things like anonymous bearer shares that can receive dividends. It allows stable coins in which people can maintain custody of their stable coin but still receive interest on that stable coin at the same time. And who knows what other amazing things people are going to figure out how to do with this tool. But paying dividends on-chain to token holders on Bitcoin Cash is a really, really, really powerful tool. And I'm sure we're going to see more and more of these security token offerings leveraging Bitcoin Cash as the platform to do that.